Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Mini Cooper garage door opener. First, locate the 3 home link buttons, usually found on your rearview mirror or overhead console. Next, ensure your garage door opener remote has fresh batteries for reliable signal transmission. Finally, prepare to clear any previous programming from your Mini's home link system before starting the new setup process. To begin, you need to clear any old programming from your home link system. Press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons simultaneously for about 20 seconds. The indicator light will first flash slowly, then rapidly. Once the light flashes rapidly, you can release the buttons. This confirms that the home link memory has been successfully cleared and is ready for new programming. For rolling code systems, hold your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches from the home link button you wish to program. Press and hold both buttons until the indicator light flashes rapidly. Then, quickly press the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor unit. Return to your Mini Cooper and press the newly programmed home link button 3 times to complete the synchronization. If you have a fixed code system, simply hold the desired home link button and your remote simultaneously until the indicator light flashes rapidly. Once programmed, test the button to ensure your garage door opens and closes correctly. If it doesn't work, try repeating the steps. You can program up to 3 different garage doors or gates using the remaining home link buttons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.